Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fidget spinner. Yeah. So basically all you're going to need is some like 2 dimes, rubber bands for, the structure, how I put rubber bands on around there to keep it together. And glue. Obviously you need glue to keep the bearings together. And you need bearings. You can order them online for really cheap, or you can find like a old rollerblade wheel, or like a scooter wheel. I use my skateboard wheels, and then you just pop out the bearings out of them. Show you how to do that in a second. So when you're popping out your bearings, you're gonna want to use your skateboard truck or screwdriver. You can just like put it on the axle or the screwdriver part. Just I don't know, just take it off. It's pretty easy. Okay, so you got your bearing now, and then you're gonna plug in your hot glue gun, which is right here. Be back in a second. Okay, so now once your glue gun's all heated up, ready to rock, you grab your dimes or whatever you use, and you make the thingamajiggers. Can't even talk today. Your tops for your spinning. So what you want to do is, see the hole in the middle there? You're gonna want to fill that all the way up till it's top, and then cram it all in there. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just be careful not to hit like the actual part where the ball bearings are, like inside. So careful around those creases. I'm just using the dime to flatten it off. Then you want to kind of blow on it, dry it a little quicker. Yeah, just kind of cram it all in there. Then you want to carefully push it away from the surface. Wait, am I using the wrong bearing? No. And yeah, you want to do it with your fastest bearing, because this is your core spinner. The other ones are just like for the looks. And you want to just push it against a flat surface, kind of flatten it down, Get all the gunk off of the sides. You want it just in the little hole there. And then you want to grab your dime and just put some hot glue right in the center of it. Not too much, just a little blob. And then grab your dime, put it straight above the hole. Just be careful you don't hit that little crease in the middle that goes inside. Oh, see, I messed up. Because I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I can't go on the sides there. But you can just run like your nail or something across the sides, scrape it off. And then do it again if you mess up. You guys are probably not gonna mess up because you're better than me. I'm gonna put head first. I mean head on top. Just a tiny little blob. You're solid. Then do the other one. You can do this once all the the rubber bands are on, but it's not really beneficial for you. Yeah, did it. And okay, and then what you want to do is glue on the other sides, like these sides. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Yeah, so just put a blob. You can't really see, but put a blob like right there. Oh yeah. Not too much, not too little, just enough. Try to line it up. Make sure it's straight. And wait till it dries. Put some on the sides. Oops. Some on the sides, like right in that little. Right there. And then on the other side. Just to make it more stable, right? Remove all the excess strings and stuff that are there. Strands of glue. Kind of shape it. Careful, because it's called hot glue, you know. You don't really want to touch it. I got burned the other day. Left kind of a burn, I guess. And then do the same on the other side, right? So I'm gonna do that. Okay, as you can see, it's good. Looking good. Gotta remove the excess stuff or it'll get tangled in the bearing. That's not good. Okay, then I'll show you how to put the elastic band over it. It's basically what you want to do is you want to put it on one side like that. It's pretty straightforward. Just around the bearing. You don't want a big elastic either, like just little ones, so it'll keep it tight and like stable. So yeah, sorry I wasn't showing you there, but you got it on there. And you wanna, well, this is for your own choice, but I like to put an extra, what's it called, elastic on it. Just make sure it's good. So yeah, it's got like some kind of stripe thing, overlapping stripe thing, majigger. I don't know, it looks cool to me. And then what you want to do, you want to get 4 small ones, like around that big, tiny ones, and just pop it over this part here. Just to make it more stable, because they do break. You know, you want to make it as stable as you can get it. Right? Now I don't have 4 of those little ones, so I'm just going to use a bigger one and just overlap it twice. You can do that with the other side too, but I prefer 2 tiny ones, just because then you got your fidget spinner. And I don't know, maybe I could time it for you guys, see how long it goes. Oh, the rubber band. See, this is why you want 2 tiny ones, because this red rubber band is hitting the floor. Yeah. I can time my other one though. This is the one I made earlier. So I'll time it for you guys. And yeah. So I'll be back in a second. So here's my other one that I made. It's probably the best one that I made yet, but it has the same exact bearing as the other one here. But yeah, so yeah, I put 3 elastic bands on it. Looks kind of cool. 1, 2. That was a pretty bad spin, actually. Yeah, I'll try it again. So that's 102. Like I took off 2 seconds because I started it before I spun it. But yeah, that's way less than I did before. Probably just a bad spin, but it goes for pretty long. It's pretty good for a homemade spinner. So if you liked this video, please subscribe and leave a like, comment. Tell me what you think about these spinners. There's a lot of different versions you can make of homemade spinners. But yeah, it's way better than buying like a $10 spinner. But if you want the authentic kind, you know, just go for it. I'm gonna buy a real spinner because I don't know. I just want one. Just for the hell of it, even though I can make tons. Yeah. So that's the spinners. Here's the one we just made. It's pretty sick. Like, for free or 20 cents with your old or maybe you have to buy elastic bands, I don't know, but it's free for me. Not really, it's 20 cents because the dimes, but why would you want to pay like pay for a $10 spinner? Because this works just as well. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. See you guys.
I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opens his wings to fly on by to